Hey, hi everyone. In this particular video, we are going to learn about that how we do the create operation in MongoDB. Well, there are two prominent methods. One is insert1 and the other one is insertMany method. Now, what are these methods? Well, insert1 and insertMany are used to insert the data inside our database or our collection, and insert1 is used to insert one document at a time, and insertMany is used to insert more than one document at a time, right? So let's see that how we can do it. So we are inside our MongoDB shell, and here we are using our database Office, right? Let me show you in MongoDB Compass. So this is Office, and inside the Office there's a collection named users, right? So we are going to use the user. So for inserting the data, what we need to do, we need to write db dot, what is db first? Well, when you write db, press enter, it will give you the current database, right? So that's why we are using db. So db dot, now collection name is what? Users. USERS, right? So USERS, users dot. Now insert one. We are first going to learn about insert one. So write insert and make sure that you put this O as capital. This O as capital. ONE, like this. Put the bracket here, and inside of it you need to write your document. Now how you write the document? For that you put the curly bracket like this, and inside of it you write the key colon value. So let's say the name is the key colon, the value is in like it is a string, so put it inside the strings, right? So Piyush, then put a comma, and then age. So the age is let's say 22, put a comma, and city, right? The city. So let's say the city is your Delhi. So Delhi, like this. Got it? Now press enter, and you can see the acknowledge is true and the insert id is given. This object id, it is generated by the MongoDB by default, right? So we have successfully inserted one data. Got it? So if you go to the notes also, I have explained you the same, that db.users. Now user is the collection. You can make any collection which you want. I have already explained in the past video that how we create the collection, right? And after that it is done. So if you want to see that whether this data is present or not, so simply go to the users now, and you can see name Piyush, age 22, city is Delhi. Got it? This is how we insert as a one document. Now if you want to insert more than one, then how we do it? For that purpose we use the insert many. It is used to insert multiple documents at once, right? But there's one important thing, that we use this array for sending more than one document. We use array, right? So let's go to the shell and understand that how we do it. So to insert the many, we need to write db dot users dot insert, and the many m of the many should be capital, like this. Put the bracket like this, right? After that you need to put the array, right? So there should be a square bracket like this. Now after that put the curly bracket, and let's take the key colon value as name as Raj, and the age is 23. Got it? Close it. Now you need to put the comma. Since this is the one document, this is the one document only, right? We need the other one. So for the other one you need to put the comma and press enter. When you press enter, you will come to the next line. This will only work, enter will only work when you do not put this closing brackets, right? These square and this parenthesis, if you don't put that, only then it, when you press enter, it will come to the next line. Otherwise it will show you the error. Got it? Now, or it will get executed. These are the cases. Now the name, let's say that in the second document I want the name as Ria, right? And put the comma. The age is, let's say, 45. Got it? Now put the comma, press enter, and let's take the name as Priya, and the age is, let's say, 34, and that's it. Now if you come to the next line, press enter, close the square bracket, close your parenthesis, and press enter, and you come to the next line, and here you can see the acknowledge is true. That means our data is successfully inserted, and these are the object IDs. Now if you go to the MongoDB Compass, you will see the result there. Let's go there. So now in your database or in the MongoDB Compass, you can see office, user, and these are the three data which we inserted right now. So we have inserted three data at once using the insert many command. So this is how it works. This is how we use our insert many and insert one command in the create operation of the MongoDB. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.